Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If your English sounds correct, but still feels boring, today's video will change everything.
Exactly. Because most learners always say one sentence, I'm fine. And honestly, it kills your personality while speaking English.
And today we'll show you how to sound real, confident, and natural, just like daily English speakers.
Let me ask you something. When someone asks, how are you? Do you always say I'm fine?
Yeah, even when my life is falling apart, I still say, I'm fine.
See? That's the problem. Today we're giving you real replies with emotions.
Someone asks me, how's your day going? I answer, I'm fine.
Okay, now let's upgrade that. Try saying, it's been a hectic day, but I'm hanging in there.
Oh, that sounds powerful. Like I actually have a life.
Exactly. And phrase number one is, I'm hanging in there, meaning life is tough, but you're staying strong.
Practice mode. Guys repeat after me, I'm hanging in there. Sometimes I feel tired mentally, but still say, I'm fine.
Instead, say, honestly, it's been an emotional roller coaster.
Hey, wow, that sounds deep.
Phrase number two, emotional roller coaster, meaning lots of ups and downs emotionally.
Practice. Repeat, guys. Emotional. Roller coaster. Yesterday, my boss gave me extra work, and I smiled and said, I'm fine. Inside, I was screaming.
Next time, say, I'm under a lot of pressure today.
That sounds honest, but still professional.
Phrase number three, under a lot of pressure. Now imagine you feel amazing. Instead of, I'm fine, say, I'm on top of the world today.
That sounds like I just won $1 million.
Phrase number four, on top of the world.
Practice with viewers. Say it with confidence, guys. On top of the world. Sometimes life feels confusing, like I don't know what's happening.
Perfect moment for this phrase. I'm trying to figure things out.
Oh, that sounds real honest, human.
Phrase number five, trying to figure things out.
Some days I just feel tired of everything.
Then say, I'm feeling a little overwhelmed today.
That actually explains my whole week.
Phrase number six, feeling overwhelmed. And when things are improving, say, things are finally falling into place.
That sounds like a movie ending.
Phrase number seven, falling into place.
Okay, guys, quick practice round. I'll say the basic sentence. Host B will upgrade it. I'm fine.
I'm hanging in there.
I'm fine.
Emotional roller coaster.
I'm fine.
Feeling overwhelmed.
Now your turn. Pause the video and practice speaking loudly.
English is not just grammar. It's emotion, personality, and real expression.
When you stop saying, I'm fine, people start listening to you more. If you learned something new today, don't just watch, practice.
Comment below your favorite phrase from today's video.
And if you want to sound natural and confident in English,
Subscribe now and join the Talk Trend English family.
English family.
See you in the next Real English conversation.